Kubur naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Lamphang ka yeng dorbar Thoh an ka jela Thomas e sangma udang shong bishar mentai ka jingkerpat uba Adelbert nongrum ban kentu ban ampriang ya ka hukum soswan persya yu the voice of the people party Henry Lamphang ulapun paupat bo ni UMLA ka North Shillong Khlem ya ka ni jingkerpat ku UMLA uba Adelbert ulayeng persya ya ka hukum soswan ka balapha shu ku Adelbert nongrum jayaw Shillong bat kamshim lakdo ya ka kerdan MLA jong Ulaya saat bakani kala banlam shiga jingkul mar jingmut namar kila bandan ru Kiwei kibriu ki badan ni kejuk kekerteng bat basa hajayaw uba Adelbert ula banjur ba udang dei unang mikmat balajiat daki pat ba katkum kariti sensyar Lamphang ula pha yakani kam shiga tanat an bat show advocate general jong kajela bakin shong bishar watla Thomas sangma ula kubur bakila bandan kibriu ki bamanjur ya jingpin inia uba Adelbert Henry ula penpaupat Bagani ka hukum sospan hapo ka ying bishar kala ban syabu jingkeli namar ka jing bom batai syai. Ngadang syong bishar ya ka ngalapha syakatanat an batru show advocate general ka jela jungi ule Thoh hakilat batai kubur haka sengi balang. Haba keli Lamphang ulaong ngamtip Henry kidon kibriu kibala ban banjur bat uba Adelbert nong rumru namar ka hukum sospan yu Khlem penpau yu kum MLA kala banum yeng satya hakmat ka an. Thomas ula banjur ba ula yo eka jing pintip halor ka jing sospan bat umla satya ban Thoh eka rai jong ka seng san perthei uba Adelbert ula sha sospan ha BPP nak benta laisnem ha ubnai leber halor ka jing kno ba ula le eki kam balong persya ya ka party
ba Adelbert and I've also received a complaint from Adelbert regarding his suspension from the Voice of the People's Party. His suspension order was just addressed as Mr. Adelbert Nungru, Jayo Silong. No mention of MLA or anything. So his contention is that there could be many other Adelbert Nungrus living in Jayo. So it is not addressed. His suspension order is not addressed to him as MLA. Whereas he is still elected member, elected constitutionally by his people. So he said, if you can take consideration to my prayer, I do not accept my suspension order. But I'm still examining it, and I have referred it to the legal department and also to the Advocate General of our state.
So, if
I somewhat agree with Mr. Adelbert Nungrum also, because that his suspension order without mentioning him as MLA or without addressing him as MLA may not carry in the court of law. So that's why technically it seems very vague.
As it stands, so you have the suspension.
This is suspension is only brought to my notice. It is not a question of whether I should accept or not.
So when was the suspension?
Quite some time back. I don't remember the exact date. Maybe 1 month or 1.5 months back. I'm not very sure. I don't have the copy with me right now. So, but the copy of letter has been received by this office.
So can any MLA be suspended?
Concern, I cannot comment on that, and I will not say that they should suspend or they should not suspend. It is not for me to, it will not be appropriate for me to comment on that. But I mean, Assembly will complete its term. Till then, I think things should run smoothly, I would say.